Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. And I know it's been a lot of people that's been waiting for this, so I apologize for the lengthy delay. For those that don't know, I proposed to Cheryl May of 2018, Memorial Day to be specific. And with the help of some amazing family and friends, they were able to help me capture her reaction. But in order for me to pull it off, I had to tell her two things. One, I told her that Cheryl and a buddy of mine were going to fly somewhere to get something, cool to eat. And the second thing was, while we were on our way, my friend David and his partner Teo were going to capture some footage for a promotional video that they were going to make. Things didn't go as planned. The day before, the runway or the airport that I was intended to go to, the runway buckled, which completely threw a wrench into the whole operation. So I had to find an entire different airport to go to. And number two, with that being said, I had to figure out a way to get David and his team to capture the footage at the airport and then be able to make it to my parents' house in time to capture Cheryl's reaction of her family being there. So this footage will show just the breakdown, the diversion that Trevor made for me to create some time, and the reaction. So I just wanted to share that with everybody, and I hope you all enjoy. Without further ado, I'll see you guys on the other side. Peace. It's gonna be bumpy, so don't be scared, all right?
Yeah, no worries.
All right, it's gonna be bumpy.
I'm all for it. I don't have food. Y'all should be barbecuing. Prop.
To releasing your daughter to my son, I just feel so jubilant and so fortunate to have such a beautiful young lady join our family. And Clement, I already saw him as our son as well. So thank you. Everybody get son and daughter title? Yeah, I'm sorry. And I just would like to say, if we could just bow our heads for 30 seconds, and let me just have a quick prayer. Okay? To to the other side. So just thank you for all the friends and the family that came today, and we ask for the blessings while Mo and Cheryl's in the air, that no danger come upon. Amen. And I do not want him, all I want him to see when we see that plane is to his approval, wiggle those wings, okay? In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Back out just for the video.
Get the Tesla truck. Whose Tesla truck that is?
Can you point at the screen real quick? Just act like you know what you're doing.
Found the drone.
Move your fingers like this.
Too. There it is.
There we go.
Miss Charly, over this way. The drone can't see you. No, you gotta see the drone. Okay? Right there. There you go. That's it. That's it. It's running out of gas.
Yeah.
There was a switch up and it was like, bro.
Yeah.
Bro.
Like, cause the whole runway buckled
So I'm
at
like,
the other airport, so you have to go to another airport. Hey, release that balloon!
Release the balloon! Release the balloon! Let it go! Let the balloon go!
Release the balloon!
That's it right there, huh?
Are you guys excited?
That's them. That's the dip. That's it. She said yes.
You're coming back around.
We found the
Coming back.
This crisscross. There we go. There we go.
It's all good,
Crisscross.
Gabe. You tried to sneak it in before he did. Yeah, my son, he got a winner. No hoochie.
Wow.
He got a winner. He got a princess.
Amen to that.
No hoochie.
Amen.
Yes. Just like Daddy told him. Get a good one.
I love it.
Mom, Mo asked me in the air. Didn't even know.
She said no.
No, she didn't even know.
Let me take a picture.
Yeah.
She said no.
No, she didn't even know that he was going to do this.
That's what was supposed to be a surprise. I hope she did know. Oh my goodness. So she did. Oh, Mom, did you know?
She sent me the sign.
So I read it, right? And I was like, oh, will you marry me? And then I thought that was someone else. So no, Cheryl, I said that yesterday. I said, Cheryl's probably going to say, oh, someone's getting married. That's exactly. So then I was like, oh, that's so cute, right? So then I looked at Mo, and I was like, oh, are you going to buzz everyone? Like, let them know that we're here? And he was like, did you read that? I was like, what? And then I was like, wait, what? Did you read it? Wait, what? I was so confused.
Did you see us awake?
Yeah, so everyone, and then I thought I saw Carter, and I was like, I was so confused.
Cheryl, I know in this last 2 or 3 years we've been through a lot, just with families and just different cultures and just growing our faith. And now I just know that God is just bringing us into another chapter, and just want to ask if you want to join this journey, this lifelong commitment, and we could just live our lives forever with one another. So I just humbly want to just get on my knees.
You're going to have a hard time getting back up.
All right, he's been working out. I just want to ask if you will marry me.
Can you get his hand?
I didn't hear it.
Yes.
Cheryl, I just want to tell you I love you. With everything, we've been through so much in these past 2 or 3 years, and I just want to spend the rest of my life with you. I know God has blessed us. I know God has just put us and is refining us in this process, and I know that He's using this to be an example of how people should be committed to one another unconditionally. And I just want to just share this with all my loved ones. So I know I just want to be transparent. You can just see my nerves at this point in time, but that's just because I just care so much. So I love you, and I hope you see this and receive this with love.
Everybody got that on video, yeah?
There's your left hand. Yeah, there we go. It's the left hand, right? Make sure it's left hand. All right. All right. I hope you There we go.
Show off the ring. Show off the ring. Show off the ring.